Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make honey mustard sauce with yellow mustard. First, gather your essential ingredients: yellow mustard, honey, and mayonnaise. For a little extra zing, add a touch of apple cider vinegar. Don't forget a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance all those delicious flavors. This simple combination forms the perfect base for your homemade sauce. Now, let's combine everything. In a bowl, measure out 1/2 cup of yellow mustard and 1/4 cup of honey. Give that a good stir. Next, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to achieve that creamy texture we all love. Continue whisking until all the ingredients are thoroughly blended and the sauce is perfectly smooth. This is where the magic happens. Once your base is mixed, it's time to fine-tune the flavor. Taste your sauce and adjust the sweetness or tanginess to your liking. For an extra layer of savory depth, consider stirring in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. A dash of paprika can also introduce a subtle warmth and beautiful color. Keep whisking until everything is perfectly incorporated and the flavor profile is just right. Your delicious homemade honey mustard sauce is now ready to enjoy. To keep it fresh, transfer the sauce to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay good for up to 2 weeks, perfect for all your dipping and spreading needs. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.